In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the master US30 EA MT5 on my ENESS account for months. And zounds, it's mastered my margin to plus 26.64% gains with the panache of a parodic puppeteer. A Telegram trickster touted it as the EA that strings indices like a marionette. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Harken to my review of this US30 Sorcerer Supreme. Ah, the zip folder for the master US30 EA MT5 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the EX5 file, set file, and a manual as terse as a taxman's tease. I ferried the EX5 to MT5's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the master US30 EA MT5 to US30's M15 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the master US30 EA MT5 parades its plus 26.64%. Absolute gain escapade on ENESS since January 2025, ballooning $100,000 deposits into $126,158 balance with $26,158 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.03% chuckles, monthly 17.77% guffaws, equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 91.67%, meaning 33 of 36 trades winners, 17 longs at 91%, 16 shorts at 91%. Way above the 60% benchmark for index scalpers that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 18.25 pips, $8.89 per pop, while losses are reined in at negative 43.95 pips. Negative $5.14 thanks to the master US30 EA MT5's built-in fixed stops and trailing features that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips, 1,841. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile US30 moves without overtrading. Drawdowns only 49.66% relative. Absolute 49.66%. So even in December 25 sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible at 0%. Profit factor of 2.60 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in over 2 back. Sharp Ratio's 0.34 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings. And the Z-score of 99% against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? Zilch on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of 6.1 pips $2.05 per trade covers it easy. Average hold times 1 day 4 hours for those H1 precision entries. This month's analytics? Up 17.77% already in December, with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 300% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this master US30 EA MT5 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the master US30 EA MT5 on MT5 with 913,000 ticks from September 2025 data, and, solid numbers. Total net profit $7,000 on a $10,000 start. Gross profits $11,937, edging out losses of negative $4,937 for that clean edge. 19 trades. Total win rate 37% on shorts especially. Average trade length about 1 day. And max drawdown under 37% relative. Solid for index plays, no red flags here that make me hesitate on live deployment. So, wrapping this up, if the master US30 EA MT5 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below. including that instant download link for the set file and manual? To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting master US30 MT5 strategies. Links right there too. All right, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.